Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Recaptcha in WordPress. First, you'll need to register your website with Google Recaptcha. Head over to the Google Recaptcha admin console and sign in with your Google account. You'll then register a new site, giving it a descriptive label and entering your website's domain. Carefully select the Recaptcha version you wish to use, like version 2 for the I'm not a robot checkbox, or version 3 for invisible verification. After accepting the terms, submit to receive your unique site and secret keys. Once you have your Recaptcha keys, the next step is to install a plugin on your WordPress site. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard and go to the Plugins section, then click Add New. Use the search bar to find a reputable Recaptcha plugin. Advanced Google Recaptcha is a popular choice. After locating it, click Install Now and then activate the plugin. This will integrate the Recaptcha functionality into your WordPress environment, preparing it for configuration. Now it's time to configure the plugin with your keys. Navigate to the newly installed plugin settings page within your WordPress dashboard. You'll find fields to paste your unique site key and secret key that you obtained from Google. Ensure you select the Recaptcha version that corresponds to your initial registration. Most plugins offer options to enable Recaptcha on various forms, such as login, registration, comments, or contact forms. Choose the areas you wish to protect and save your changes. The final, crucial step is to thoroughly test your Recaptcha setup. Visit the forms and pages where you've enabled Recaptcha to ensure the widget appears and functions as expected. Try submitting a form to confirm that the verification process works correctly. It's highly recommended to perform these tests in a staging environment first, if possible, to avoid impacting your live site. Remember to keep your Recaptcha plugin and WordPress core updated to maintain optimal security and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.